Hello, my name is Art Tolentino, and we have a new tutorial for you today. Today's tutorial is going to be about making pads. You know, people use pads all the time. I know, yeah, you have the iPhone, you can write notes in your iPhone, but a lot of people still like to keep a little pad in their pocket and take notes about things, especially at work. They like to write little notes, and a pad is a great gift to give to others. It's a great marketing tool, and it's sometimes you can make pads and personalize them with a person's name on it or your company's name or some sort of marketing so that you can get the word out. And so people say, oh, I got this over at my pal's gift shop, or I got this from here. They give them out, they're free. It's kind of cool. People enjoy little gifts like that. So if you're interested in making pads, wow, a lot of excitement today. If you're interested in making pads, I'm going to show you how to order pads online, okay? Are you ready? Let's go. So let me take off my screen. Let's stop for a second. So here's what a pad is, by the way, if you want to see that. This is my pad. I have writing on it, but it has a chipboard on the back. And we have blue paper in this one, and there's probably about 100 sheets in this one. In our little lesson today, we're going to order 50 pads with 25 sheets to a pad, and this is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. What 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 is, 5 1/2 is half of the 11 inches in a letter size sheet, 8 1/2 by 11, and 4 1/4 is half of the width, 8 1/2. Half of 8 1/2 is 4 1/4. So this is a 5 1/2 or 4 1/4 pad, which we could run on 8 1/2 by 11 sheets, 4 up. So if you want 40 pads of 25 sheets, you go to your calculator and you would say 40 times 25. Let me get my calculator out here, and I'm going to tell you in just a second what 40 times 25 is. And then we're going to divide that by 4 because we have 4 on a sheet. So I'm going to say 40 times 25 equals 1,000 sheets. And we're going to run 4 up. So we divide that by 4, divided by 4, and that equals 250 sheets. So we're going to go to our copying to our website, and we're going to order 250 sheets, black and white, just black copy on it, on blue bond paper, since this is blue, and we're going to pad it in 25s. You ready? Let's do it. All right. Go to my screen share, and here we are. Okay, so to find this thing, this is a copy job, okay? So we're going to go to our copying service. You go to categories, and you check copying services. And we have black and white copies, we have saddle stitch booklets, and we have color copies. So you can go either way, color copies or black and white. In this little exercise, we're going to make black and white copy, just black ink on blue paper. So we'll check this one right here. So the first thing it asks us, paper stock and color. So we want it on blue paper stock. Normally we print on 20-pound blue, 20-pound color. See all the 20 pounds there? And we have 20-pound bond white, 20-pound bond blue, we have 20-pound blue, pound green, we have canary, and we have pink, gray, and that's it, gray, pink, canary, green, blue, and white. Then we have all these other papers too that can be run. We even have number 10 envelopes. So, but we'll go down to 20-pound blue bond, okay? So we've added that feature in there. Now, are we gonna print on one side and two sides? Pads, normally we just print on one side. So we'll say print on one side. And then final trim size will be 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. You get 4 per sheet. Tells you right there, okay? Then copy paper size. We're going to run this on 8 1/2 by 11. Now don't try to do these other ones because you add more cutting to it and you won't save yourself any money. The per click charges are doubled for the the bigger sheet, so it wouldn't make any sense. Plus 20-pound blue is more expensive in 11/17 than it is 8 1/2 by 11, so you actually end up paying more. So let's just stick to 8 1/2 by 11, and then we're going to pad with chipboard, okay? We're gonna pad in 10s, 25s, 50s, or 100s. In this exercise, we decided that we want our pads to be in pads of 25. It's a giveaway. You don't want to give away 100 sheets of paper each time. So we're gonna just stick with 25 to a pad, okay? It's about a 1/4 inch thick, 25 sheets, and plus the chipboard, so we'll check that. Folding, there's no folding. Quantity, okay, remember, we divided it. We said we want 40 pads times 25 sheets, and that was 1,000, okay? And then we divided that by 4, and it's 250 is our final quantity. So you write 250, there you go, and you add it to cart. And then you proceed to checkout. I probably have some other things, and I do. It's the last item here. Look at that, $42.50 to give away 40 pads. That's cheap, man. That's like $1 a pad, a little bit more, a few pennies per pad. That's cheap. That's a good price. Order it today. You got to get your pads. Order your pads. It's only $42 plus tax, of course. Order it now. Get online. Order it. Let me delete these other 2 things, so we can see how you to order it. You press checkout. Oh, and I have a $10 coupon. Email me and I'll send you a $10 coupon, and you can go in here and add the coupon. And the coupon will give you some money off, $10 off. All right? Email me and I'll take care of you. Checkout, that means it's only $32.50. And you type in your email address. Actually, I'm gonna check in, log in. It's easier for me. And then I'm going to put my email in there. There we go. There it is. Oh, it disappeared on me. How do you get that thing? Interesting. I saw it for a minute. ART. There it is. Oh, it disappears on me. Usually there's a little thing right here to get that, but I guess it's not going to do it for me. Okay, let's try it again. ART, PRINTING. Is it going to disappear on me now? Ah, got it. And it knows my password, because I don't know my password, to be honest with you. Always write down your password somewhere. Okay, so there we go. We're going to say, now, if you live in the South Bay area, just come down and pick it up, okay? And we'll call it. It's a little bit cheaper there. I'm selecting my address where I want it shipped to. And it's going to give me shipping costs, okay? And there it is. UPS ground is $15.42. You cut it down to $5 if you use the coupon, okay? So I always check will call, come down, pick it up. Email me if you're close enough. We'll drop it off for you, all right? And continue the payment. And then you can check your credit card, put in your credit card information, and voila, easy order. That's it. That's our video for today. Let me turn off the sharing here. I hope you enjoyed it. There's my phone. I got a customer calling. I got to go. Take care, guys. Love you all. Bye-bye now.